Friends, let us continue our discussion of data structures with stacks. A stack is a linear data structure which can be accessed only at one of its ends. That means the storing and retrieving of data happens only at one end of the stack. A new element which is inserted into the stack is put on the top. That is why the last element inserted into the stack is the first to be removed. So, the stack is known as last in, first out, that is LIFO list. Now let us see the various operations performed on the stack. The push and pop operations are performed on the stack. Push is to insert data into the stack and pop is to remove data from the stack. Now consider an empty stack S. Let us perform push operation to insert number 7 and 10 into S. After pushing 10 in the stack, observe that it is pushed on the top of 7. Suppose we want to remove data from the stack. Then in pop operation 10 is removed from the stack first and 7 is left in the stack S. One of the applications of stack is parenthesis matching while solving the expression. Let us take an example. We will solve this expression to find out if it is syntactically correct. First, the character A is read. It is not a parenthesis. Hence, it is not inserted into the stack. Hence, the stack remains empty. Then consider the next character, that is equal sign. It is also ignored and so is the letter P. After reading the left bracket, the bracket is pushed into the stack. Now the stack contains one element, that is the opening bracket. Next, the character 3 is also ignored. Then the right bracket is read. So the character inside the stack is popped off and is compared with the right bracket. The popped character, which is left bracket, matches with the right bracket. So the process continues. Then the character plus sign and X are discarded. Next is the slash sign. It is also ignored. Then the next character is left parenthesis. So it is pushed into the stack. The characters Y and asterisk are also ignored. Then the next character left parenthesis is also pushed into the stack. And the characters M, minus sign and N are ignored. Then observe the current character is right parenthesis. So the character at the top of the stack is popped off. It is compared with the current character. As the both characters are matched, the process is continued. The next character is also a right parenthesis. So it is compared with the popped character of the stack. Thus, the left and right parentheses are matched. So the process proceeds further. After reading the last character, which is a semicolon, the state of the stack is checked. The stack is now empty. That means the delimiters in the expressions are matched. This is how the stack is used for solving the expression. The various applications of stack includes parser, compilers, operating systems, function call mechanisms, implementation of recursion, and simulation of real-life applications like pathfinding.